Hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in the state of Alabama. If you've been sued by a debt buyer such as Asset Acceptance or Cascade Capital, Midland Funding, LVNV, Velocity, any number of these places, and they happen to credit report, the question is, does that prove that you owe that debt buyer the money? The answer is absolutely not. The only thing it proves is that debt buyer has credit reported on you. And they better be right when they do that. Because if they are credit reporting something that you do not owe to that debt buyer, then they have violated the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. And if they violate that law, then you should look at suing them in federal court for money damages. And that will encourage them to think, yeah, let's get that off the credit report. So if you've been sued, a lot of times a good approach is to go ahead and dispute the account through the credit bureaus and say, look, Midland Funding has sued me, or Asset Acceptance, or whoever it is. I do not owe them this debt. Delete it. Now, the credit bureau will get that. They will go to the debt buyer, the debt collector, and say, do you want us to keep it? And they'll say, absolutely keep it, because it's very motivating to keep that. And then when you beat them in trial, then they have a real problem. Because not only did they file a bogus lawsuit against you, and they have done false credit reporting, but you disputed it through the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And so this is an additional claim you can bring against the debt buyer in federal court. Now, if you are at the stage you've been sued, or maybe you've already won your case, or maybe you're being threatened on being sued, wherever you are in that kind of spectrum or timeline, feel free to give us a call if you are here in Alabama, 205-879-2447, or you can reach us at alabamaconsumer.com. We'll help you think through your options, what's best. Do you need a lawyer? Do you not need a lawyer? A lot of times in this stuff, you don't need a lawyer until it's time to sue in federal court, and then it's very beneficial to have a lawyer. But a lot of times you can do the dispute on your own. You may not need us. Now we can give you some advice and thoughts on it, but feel free to reach out to us. We'll help you think through it and be happy to help you any way that we can. Appreciate you watching this video, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.